this video we are going to see how to install MetaMask on your Firefox browser. There are two ways, and the easiest way is you go here on the menu, click on add-ons, search for MetaMask. You can do the same thing on your phone, and then you click on MetaMask right there, and you click add to Firefox. The other option is you can go to the main website, which is metamask.io, and then you click download. You click install MetaMask for Firefox. It will still lead you to the same page where you have to add Firefox. Click add, give it some time to install, so give it permission. After giving it permission, you can choose to give it even more permissions. Now you see this icon for the fox, you click there, and then you click get started. You decide, you click import if you have an existing wallet. You paste your seed words. I don't have the seed words here. And then put a password. Then you click import. You have to accept the terms, and then the seed words are the 12 or 20, I think there are 12 words that are given to you. So let's say you don't have a wallet and you want to create one. You just click create, and you click agree. You put a password, maybe ABCDE123, ABCDE123. ABCDE123, ABCDE123. Okay. So you can see password must match. Okay. And it should be long enough. Then you click create. You can choose to save the password if you like. Click here to review this, and paste them somewhere, or you can actually paste them in your email, but it's recommended that you write them down, because if you forget them, you've lost your funds. Now you click next. Then you have to enter these words in the exact order that you were given. So let's put them in. Dust, cost, pulp, back, outer, guess you make a mistake, you click it again. So it is school, social, fuel, alpha. Then it will allow you to confirm. Okay, if you make a mistake, it will not allow you to confirm. So you click confirm. All done. If you want to deposit Ethereum, you click buy, click view account, double click here and copy this account and send it to someone, I mean the address. then the person will send you some Ethereum. Now once you have the Ethereum, copy the link that was sent to you by your upline, and then open a new tab, paste the link there and click enter. This website, the smart contract website, will make you accept and connect. Now once they are connected, you click register, or you log in automatically if they are already connected. So confirm that the ID of your upline is the same, and then click press to register, and then if you're okay with the gas fees, you just click confirm and give it like 15 seconds for the transactions to confirm. Now in case you're not okay with the gas fees, you can click edit and you select whichever gas fees you like. Of course, fast is the best. I recommend that you always choose the fastest. Never choose slow or average, because the transaction may take hours to be processed. So always click fast. It takes about 1 minute or half a minute, and then you click save. So basically that is it. In my case right here, I will reject the transaction because it was just for explanation purposes. Then once you register, your back office for ABS Golden Matrix will be like that, and you can check it out. You can copy your referral link and share with other people. I highly recommend ABS Golden Matrix because it is unique, it's one of its kind, everything is automated, you don't need to refer people. If you're in a good team, you can get spillovers. You will earn forever and ever because it has automatic purchase of levels and automatic re-entry in matrices. So for example, if you reach matrix 7, it re-enters you automatically to matrix 1. So the income is perpetual. You can earn about $50,000 a month from this business. Thank you very much. You can check out the links in the description. You can like our YouTube page. You can subscribe, and you can always come back for more videos.